recognize Fortnite? Yeah! So exciting! Look how awesome this cake is! Wow! Are you so excited to get started? Me too! It's gonna be so awesome!
Wow.
Let's get our cake and our frosting. Creamy frosting. This cake looks different today. It's not a normal stack. It has a round top. So exciting. Remember, while you're watching, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us in the comments if you play Fortnite and who your favorite character is if you do. All right, let's start our modeling. You know the drill. Lots and lots of texture. You guys ready for a trivia question? How many stepsisters does Princess Cinderella have? You know, her evil stepsisters? Stay to the end to find out. If you think you know, you can always let us know in the comments. And see at the end if you are right. More and more texture. So awesome. And roll it out. Roll it, roll it.
Wow.
Remember, you can always practice Play-Doh. Just don't eat your Play-Doh. Wow! Aren't these looking like pants? Super green pants. Do you have any super green pants at home? It's gonna look so awesome! You excited to see it all put together? Me too!
Aww.
Don't you just love watching these videos? So many awesome cakes! So much fun stuff! Remember, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up! Leave us an awesome comment. Tell us what your favorite cake has been so far. All right, more and more details. Lots and lots of details. Now we're gonna start putting it all together, just like a puzzle. Do you like putting puzzles together? Puzzles are fun. This guy's got a pumpkin head. Do you know who
Aww.
this is? If you play Fortnite, I bet you know. This is perfect for all your gaming friends. Do you have friends who like to play games too? Ah, his green jumper outfit. And his big pumpkin head. It's looking so awesome. Do you like carving pumpkins in the fall? Carving pumpkins is so much fun. And do you roast the pumpkin seeds? Take all the pumpkin seeds out, roast them in the oven and eat them? Num, 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 num. They're so delicious. Keep wrapping. Keep adding all that texture. And the mouth. Oh, this is going to be so cool when it's all finished. Don't you just love watching these cake videos? And a mustache. Mustachio. Do you like mustaches? So fun.
Wow.
Now we draw the eyes. You know the drill. Don't put your finger in the wet paint, or you'll get your fingerprints everywhere. Whoa! That's marble colored. So fun. You know the drill. Trace off the extras. Be careful with sharp knives that you don't cut yourself. Because that would be so owie. Aw, he looks so awesome! Ooh, and for some more marble dough? So cool! We're making trees! Don't these trees look super awesome? I love them! Wouldn't it be cool if there was real forest with marble trees? So cool! Alright, now it's time for letters! Do you know what we're going to spell? I think we're gonna spell Fortnite! With an awesome background. Pull the letters out careful. Again, we're gonna assemble it kind of like a puzzle. Aren't puzzles so fun? That's an F. O. R-T-N-I-T-E. That spells Fortnite. All right, you know what time it is now. Did you say cake blanket? You're right, and it's super awesome and marbled. Stick on your cake blanket and smooth it in super slow. You know the drill. Get your cake irons. You ready for the trivia answer? How many stepsisters does Princess Cinderella have? The evil ones? The answer is 2. Did you guess it right? Wow! Oh, look how awesome! So cool! And our trees. Can't forget our awesome marble trees. So cool! Aww! How awesome is this, guys? Remember, hit that subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, leave us a comment.